I don't know why I love this name. I love it. Just a little Hiccup.
He said, I'm a little bundle of energy.
Is he really?
On the drive up, I kept trying to climb out of the car seat to say hi to the driver. He kept trying to get Isamore's grabbing him and pulling because he kept insisting he wanted to come say hello to me. I was like, no,
so
not while I'm driving. Sorry.
You can't do that while she's driving. You're not the driver. Oh my goodness. He's just going to lay.
Flopped right there.
I know it. That was not even T-touch. He's just out. Oh my goodness. He's like seriously going to sleep. Do you see this? I can't even see his eyes. Okay. You're close. He said this is way too much work. Okay. Okay. You're
Funny little guy.
I know. Oh my goodness. Oh. So do you all have to fly anywhere else?
One of the others were flying to Chicago. So we're flying. We're flying to Boston for him, or for the last one.
Okay.
And then they're picking him up from Vermont. And then we're flying to Chicago with another one. And then so far the rest of them are driving to meet us.
Okay. That's good.
But
Who flies?
it's me and one
of them.
One of them, yeah.
Okay. I love it when this is the whole exam. Just sleeping. Exhausted all this energy trying to climb up front. I know. That was a lot of work, and I still didn't get to drive. Oh, I'm sorry. How dare you? I'm supposed to wake the sleeping baby. I know, I'm so sorry. Look at you. Now I see your eyes. Now I see them. Look at you. It's so funny. He'll probably lay right back down.
Probably.
So cute. So cute. These clippers are nice. I mean, they look like they're easy to hold. Sorry, I keep reaching for your pen.
Is he out again?
I know, it's really sad. I feel like I'm being really lazy sitting here. I really do. I mean, this is hard work.
I know. I'm so glad you get to do hard work periodically because you need it. I mean, when you're in a job like this,
You know, it's true.
you need days like this. Yeah.
And today is crazy.
He's just out.
Look at that.
That's so funny.
166. 166. Oh my gosh. It's so silly. I've got to get my phone real quick and take a quick picture. Excuse me, 1 second.
Look at it. Sit on a nap here. I just want to stay. So funny because in the car he was so active.
He wore himself out.
He must have.
Now it's 168.
Oh, he's growing as he goes. Oh my gosh. I gotta come around to the other side.
Yes, you do.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody knows that.
Can you send that one to me?
Adorable.
The face shot.
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's precious. Amber, you always get the best pictures. Yeah, you talk about photography and all that. That's totally hard.
And Zamora too, and she makes me do this. She won't do it. And
Yeah.
it's like,
See,
well,
I told you flipping the camera upside down.
We yesterday we just have one of the little pools we put up every summer. And my husband built like a not a ramp, but like a wooden kind of a plank so the dogs can jump in.
mm-hmm.
And so Sage wanted me to video when she was throwing things for her dog to jump in after. Do you know how many times I had to do a video because they were not right? She's like, Mom, just do this.
These young kids,
I know.
these
Yeah.
young kids know how to.
Really
They know how, and then
do.
us older folks are like, "Oh, you expect us to do that? We don't know what we're
I
doing."
know. It's true.
No. He said it's okay. I went right back to sleep. It's okay.
Look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. Oh my goodness.
No. I'll just have to
I
look
guess
like this.
one-handed. Okay, that's what we'll have to do.
All right. It'll be fine. It'll be just fine. I can do